Welcome to ProHands Home Improvement, your trusted source for everything home improvement in Los Angeles. Today, we're diving into the cost of exterior house painting in LA for 2026. Understanding these costs can help you budget effectively for your next home project. Several factors can influence the cost of painting your home's exterior. From the type of materials used to the labor rates in Los Angeles, each element plays a critical role in your overall spending. We offer a range of pricing options to fit different budgets. Whether you're looking for a basic refresh or a premium finish, understanding pricing tiers can help you make an informed decision. Here are some pro tips to ensure your painting project goes smoothly. From getting multiple quotes to planning for potential surprises, we've got you covered. Ready to transform your home with a fresh coat of paint? Contact ProHands Home Improvement for a free estimate today. Visit our website at ProHandsHandyman.com to learn more about our services and why we're the trusted choice in Los Angeles.